So while there is not any over-the-counter medicine to treat this, the best course of action is really just staying hydrated. And as to how to prevent the rotavirus, well, Dr. Joe Arakri says this.
It's incredibly contagious. So you have to do things to take care of yourself. So teach your children not to touch their face or not to touch their mouth. The virus can last for a long time on hard surfaces. So if your child has it or if it's around your child, wiping down your hard surfaces with like a Lysol or other kind of antibacterial surface cleaner.
Rotavirus is a very infectious virus that causes vomiting and diarrhea in children, but also in adults as well. Children do tend to get the virus just a bit worse because of their size. Dr. Arakri says children can dehydrate very easily.
It's very hard to hydrate a child whenever they're throwing up. So small, frequent amounts of fluids.
That looks like giving your child a ½ ounce to an ounce of a saline-based liquid every 20 minutes for the first hour. If your child is able to keep it down without throwing up, you can double that every 20 minutes. His biggest piece of advice is to not let your child chug what they're drinking. And he does remind that dehydration is very serious, and this is what to look out for.
They would be limp, listless, almost like a dish rag. The inside of their mouth would be dry. Whenever they cry, they have no tears. Their skin almost becomes doughy. And then again, not having a wet diaper or not urinating for a 6 to 8 hour period.
Dr. Arakri says head to the emergency room if your child is not able to take liquids, haven't urinated in at least 8 to 12 hours, and if they seem delirious.
We don't usually see that in the office, but we've been seeing an increase in ER visits and some kids having to be admitted for rehydration.
Now, Dr. Arakri does say that this is a seasonal virus, meaning we do see it every single year. It's just this year we are seeing a slight uptick in children and seeing the virus a little bit later. Covering Allegheny County from Monroeville, Yasmin Rodriguez, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.